How to subtract uncommon denominators. Let's say we have 2 3/4 and 1 1/2. First, you need to find a common denominator. You could either multiply those two together, or you could do 2 times 2, 4 times 1, and then you bring the 2 over here because you don't want to forget that, and then you bring the 1 over there. You need to circle the subtraction sign to remember subtract. And then so then 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 1 is 4, and then whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do the top. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, so then you subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1/4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer would be 1 1/4. Here's the tricky one. How you do it. So first you need to find a common denominator. You multiply that by 1, you multiply that by 2. And then you take your 15 and your 14, you don't want to forget about it. And then 10 times 1 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8. Then you subtract. So then 15 minus 14 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. And then you bring down the 10, so your answer is 1 3 10. Okay, this is our last one, but it's a little bit trickier. So what you do is you find the common denominator. And then 8 times 1, and then 4 times 2. You bring the 16 and the 1, you circle the subtraction sign, and then you bring the 8, and then that's a 3, and then that is a 12. And that is an improper fraction. So first what you want to do is subtract first. 16 minus 1 is 15. And then we have 12 minus 3, which is 9, so then it will be 9/8. But, well, that's still an improper fraction. So then you take 1 whole, and what the denominator is, you do 8 over 8, which equals 1/8. But then you have the 1 whole right there. So then it would equal 16 1/8. And when you get into middle school, or you are already in middle school, you will make it go down here and then square it. So then you have to show your work always. So then you have to circle it so they wouldn't get square it so they wouldn't get confused. And thank you for watching this. This was how to subtract unlike denominators, fractions.